Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So yeah, has anybody been trying to short gold? I think if you have, then you've probably been getting beat up. This is extremely clearly a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. We are going beyond the 200% Fibonacci level, so which means that we're probably gonna almost definitely hit one of these higher fib levels. Wave 3s can extend way further than you may think. There's no reason this thing couldn't go up to $3,000 an ounce or higher before it actually makes a big pullback for a wave 4 and a wave 5. So please take my advice and continue to trade with the trend. Going down to the weekly time frame, wave 1 right here, wave 2 right here. This is all from that point on still a wave 3. No Fibonacci bounce, no breaker structure, no lower high tells me that I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for logs on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, like I said, we're blowing past the 200%, so it looks like this is not going to be respected. The next level is the 223, which is actually all the way up to about 28.15. At this point, I would kind of expect it to hit the next Fibonacci level, like I said, which is around 28.15, maybe 28.16. So the trend is your friend. There is no reason to think this trend is over, and actually, I believe that it probably is not over. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So since we had the end of a crescent a couple weeks ago way down here, this to me looks like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. So not only are we in a wave 3 on the monthly, weekly, and daily, but on the 4 hour time frame, we're also in a wave 3 subdivision. So we're in like a second or third degree wave 3 right now, and wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So when you're in like a wave 3 of wave 3, possibly a wave 3 of 3 of 3, then you definitely need to be trading with the trend. You do not want to be trying to counter trend and trade a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So my last structure level on the 1 hour is way down here. The only thing that would even make me even consider looking for any sorts is seeing a very significant break of structure, which we definitely do not have. Like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, we are likely in a wave 3 of wave 3. All the higher time frames are in a big wave 3, monthly, weekly, daily, and then the 4 hour, 1 hour range is also in a wave 3. The last thing that you ever want to do is try to counter trend trade a wave 3, never mind a wave 3 of 3. So what would I be doing right now? I would be looking at every single move I see to the downside as nothing but an opportunity to go long again. Do not try to counter trend trade this thing unless you're trading like the 1 minute time frame, and even that I highly do not recommend. If you continue to focus on trying to get long at the end of every single pullback you see, you would see some dramatic increases in your trading account. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.